Hello students, in last video I sent you the properties of the multiplication, properties of fractions. Okay, today we'll take the questions. Okay, question from chapter 7, and chapter 7 you know that properties of multiplication of fractional numbers. Okay, so exercise 2 word problems. I'm starting from the word problem. First question I'm taking, and the question is 2 by 3 over class. Okay, 2 by 3 over class took music and rest drawing. If there are 63 students in a class, how many students in a class? Total students, are 63. Okay, so 63 are total student. Out of 63, 2 by 3 okay took music. So student took music. That is 2 by 3 of 63. Got it? Because it is given question, 2 by 3 of a class took music. Okay, and total students are 63. So 2 by 3 took music, rest took drawing. Okay, so total students are 63. So first we will find out how many took music. So how many took music? That will be 2 by 3 of 63. Of means like multiplication. So it will be 2 by 3 into 63. It will cancel by 3. Okay. How many times? 21 times. Okay. 3 2 ja 3 1 ja. So it will come 2 into, that is 42. So 42 is what? This 42 what coming, it is the number of student took music. Okay, so total student are 63, right? Out of 63, 2 by 3 of 63, that is 42 took music, rest student took drawing. So how many student will took drawing? Can you tell me how many student took drawing? That is 63 minus 42. So student took drawing. That is 63 minus 42. So 3 minus 2 1. So how many students are taking drawing? That is 21. Got it? So what we have done first, it was given that total student in the class are 63. Out of 63 student, 2 by 3 of total student took music. Okay, that was 2 by 3 of 63. So we have find out, we are getting 42 students are coming, those took music. Okay, then this 42 will subtract from 63, so we'll get the number of students took drawing. Got it? Now we'll take the second question. Second question is, the cost of 1 gram of butter is 16 whole number 2 by 3. Second, cost of 1 gram of butter. Okay, that is rupees 16 whole number 2 by 3. Then what is the cost of 12.5 gram of butter? Definitely 1 gram butter is given, the cost of 1 gram butter is given, that is 16 whole number 2 by 3. We have to find out the cost of 12 and half gram of butter. Cost of 12 and half gram of butter, right? So 1 gram cost is given. We have to find the cost of 12 and half. Means we want to find the cost of more quantity. Getting now? 1 gram and this is 12 and half gram. So we want the cost of one is given and we want to find out the 12 and half, means cost of more quantity. So whenever we want to find the cost of more quantity, we have to multiply. Okay, right now. So this value, the cost of 1 gram of butter, that is 16 whole number 2 by 3, it will be multiplied by 12 and half gram quantities. Okay, because 1 gram cost is given and we want to find out the more than 1, that is 12 and a half, so we have to multiply it. Okay, so multiply, that is rupees 16 whole number 2 by 3 will multiplied by 12 whole number 1 by 2. Okay, we'll calculate it. First it is in mixed fraction, this also in mixed fraction. So we'll convert both the mixed fraction first into an improper fraction. So what it will come? 16 3 is 48 plus 2, that is 50 upon 3 multiplied by 25 by 2. Okay, any cancellation? Yes, 2 1 ja and this is 25. So what we are getting? 25 upon 3 multiplied 25 upon 1. Any cancellation now? No cancellation, right now. So 25 multiplied by 25, what will get? 625 and 3 into 1, that is 3. We can convert this improper fraction in mixed fraction also. For that 625 will divide it by 3. Okay, so 625 divide by 3, so what will get? 2 ja. Now it is not divisible, how many times? 0 time. So what it will come? Now 5. Okay, so 8 times 20. So 1 is remainder, this is quotient. So this value also we can write it rupees 208 whole number 1 upon 3. Okay, right? So this 208 1 by 3, this is the cost of 12 and half gram of butter. Got it? So in this manner we have to solve. So whenever the cost of less quantity is given, we want to find out the cost of more quantity. What we have to do? We have to multiply. And opposite of it, if the cost of more quantity will be given and we want to find out the cost of less quantity, so we have to divide, right? We'll see the next question. I'm taking the fifth question of this exercise right now. Fifth question. So I'm reading the question. The question is, a boy runs 5 whole number 3 by 4 kilometer in 1 hour. A boy runs in 1 hour equal to 5 whole number 3 by 4 kilometer, right? We have to find how much distance the boy will cover in 7 whole number 1 by 5 hours. Okay, so 1 hour, how much distance is running, how much distance is covering in 1 hour? It is given 5 whole number 3 by 4 kilometer, and we have to find out in more hour. more than 1. Okay, so how much distance the boy will cover in 7 whole number 1 by 5 hours. Okay, so the boy will cover in 7 1 by 5 hours. So here also 1 hour the distance covered by the boy is given, and we want to find out more than 1 hour, that is 7 and 1 by 5. So as I told you, if less quantity value is given, we want to find out the more quantity value, so we have to multiply. So this value will be multiplied by this one. So 5 whole number 3 by 4 will be multiplied by 7 whole number 1 by 5, and the answer will be in kilometer, because this much kilometer covers in 1 hour. So in 7 and 1 by 5, how many hours? How many kilometers? That multiplied. Okay, so here this also both are in a mixed fraction. So what we have to do, we'll convert it in proper and then we'll calculate it. Okay, so 5 4 ja 20 plus 3, that is 23 by 4 multiplied by 7 5 ja 35 plus 1 36 upon 5, and it is kilometer. So it will cancel 4 1 ja, and this is 4 9 ja. Any other cancellation? No. So 23 will multiply with the 9 and 1 will multiply with the 5. So what it will come? 9 3 ja 7, 2 18 plus 2, that is upon 5. You can convert in mixed fraction also. Okay, 207 will be divided by 5. So how many times? 5 4 ja, then 1 time. So it will come 41 whole number 2 by 5 kilometer. So if the boys run 5 whole number 3 by 4 kilometer in 1 hour, so the boy will cover the distance in 7 and 1 by 5 hours, that is 41 whole number 2 by 5 kilometer. Got it? Any problem right now? So we'll do the next question, and the next question is that is the next exercise. The fraction number is divided by whole number. Okay, the fractional number divided by whole number, that I am telling, right? Okay, fractional number divided by whole number. So the fractional number is what? 1 by 4. It is divided by 2. So you see 1 by 4 can be divided by 2? No, right? No, 1 by 4 you cannot divide by 2. So since it cannot be divided, but we want to divide it, so what we'll do, the process is like that we will convert this division in multiplication. Okay, let's see. And this, when we'll convert this division in multiplication, the divisor, that is 2, it will get reciprocal. It will get reciprocal. Okay, means this 2 become 1 by 2. What it become? 1 by 2. Why? Because this division we have written as a multiplication. Okay, so it will be 1 by 2. Understand? Right? So what it become? 1 into 1, and this is 4 into 2. So what will get? 1 upon 8. Got it? Any problem? No, no. So simple thing. A fractional cannot divide it by a whole number. So what we'll do? Actually we'll convert in multiplication, and this will get reciprocal of the number. So this will be the calculation and answer. One more question. B1, that is 11 upon 13 divided by 8. So here is the same problem. This is a fractional number, this is a whole number. You cannot divide whole number will divisible by exactly divisible or divided by whole number, but here it is 8 and it is a fractional number. So this division will convert in multiplication and this 8 become 1 by 8. So it will be 11 upon 13 multiply 1 upon 8. Right? Now we'll see if there are any cancellation, any common factor will divide. So here we are getting 11, 13, 1, 8 not cancelled by any common number. So it will be 11 into 1 and 13 into 8. Right? So this will be 11 and this 104. So this is the answer. Got it? So in this manner we can solve many questions as we want, right? So another one. So it's simple, right? Now it's simple. If you'll understand it, you'll get the process how we solve it. So very easy to solve these all. Okay, one more. Suppose the question is 6 whole number 2 by 9 divided by 3 by 7, suppose. Okay, I am taking this value from my home, right? Instead of taking it given book another number, I am taking another number, right? So what we'll do, this is a fraction divided by a fraction, right? So this also, first we'll convert this value 9 into 6 into 9 plus 2 upon 9. From mixed we are converting improper, divided 3 by 7. So what it will come, 54 plus 2 upon 9 divided 3 by 7. So it will come 56 upon 9, okay, divided by 3 by 7. Okay, right? That this is division, fractional number divided by fractional number. So this division will convert in multiplication and this value will get reciprocal. Means it become 7 by 3. Right now? Got it? So this is the way. Now we'll see if any cancellation is there. So we'll see that no number is cancelling. Okay, so we'll multiply that 56 will multiply by 7. So 7 6 42 4, right? 35 plus 4 39 and this is 27. So this is the solution. So a fractional number, a mixed fraction, or improper fraction, a fractional number can divide it by a whole number, but you will see that instead of division we'll convert in multiplication that number and the divisor will get reciprocal. Same process for the fraction divided by a fraction. Okay, more question I am taking, fraction divided by fraction. Okay, like 3 whole number 5 by 8 divided by 1 whole number 5 by 24. Got it? So here this 3 whole number 5 by 8 first will convert in a which fraction, from mixed to improper. So it will be 8 into 3, that is 24. 24 plus 5, that is 29 upon 8 divided by 24 plus 5, that is also 29 upon 24. Got it? Now this is what a fraction from mixed we have converted in improper. This also from mixed we have converted in proper. So fraction divided by fraction. So as I told you, what we have to do, 29 upon 8. This division will convert in multiplication. So this will get reciprocal. Reciprocal, you know that I told you already that denominator become numerator and numerator become denominator. Means 29 upon 24 become 24 upon 29. Now you see that here some cancellation. This 29 will be cancelled by 29 and this 24 will be divisible by 8. How many times? 3 times. And finally the answer is coming 3. Got it? So same manner you can solve the other questions also, right? The fraction divided by whole number, the fraction divided by fraction, the mixed fraction divided by mixed fraction. One more question I am telling, right? That is 2 whole number 19 upon 26 divided by 16 whole number 5 upon 23, right? So this also first what we'll do, you know that first we'll convert in improper fraction. So what it will come, 26 2 ja 52 plus 19 upon 26, and this is 48 4 32 4 36 plus 5 upon, right now. Then when we'll add it, what we'll get, 52 plus 10 62, 62 plus 71 upon 26 divided by, when will be this added, it will come 373 upon. Now this will come 71 upon 26, will get reciprocal, multiply by 23 upon 370. Any cancellation is here? No. There are no number which will divide any, or right now no values. So 71 will multiply with the 23 and this 26 will multiply with the 371. So what will get, 71 into 23 upon 26 multiplied by 370. So when we'll multiply this value, okay, so we'll get, it will come 1633. 71 multiplied by 23, you will get 1633, and 26 multiplied by 373, so you will get 9698. So this will be the answer. Now this is a proper fraction, so it cannot be converted into mixed fraction, right now. So what we have done, got it? First what we are doing, this mixed fraction divided by a mixed fraction, right? So mixed fraction we are converting first in improper. As you know, this 26 will multiply with the 2 and will add 19. So it is coming 71 upon 26. And here this 16 will multiply with the 23 and 5 will be added. So we are getting 368 plus 5, that is 373 upon 23. Now fraction divided by fraction, division will convert in multiplication, will get the reciprocal of this value, that is 23 upon 373. Now we'll see that no number is cancelling here, because if any cancellation there, we have to cancel first. Okay, when we'll get nothing, no number is cancelling any. Okay, so we'll multiply then. 71 multiplies 23, that we are getting 1633, and here 26 multiplied 370, so we are getting 9698. Okay, got it? So in this manner we can divide a fraction number by a whole number, and also fractional number by a fraction. Got it? More questions, next type of question we are taking now. I hope you have understood it better right now. So this process will keep for all these similar questions. Only what will be there, the number is changing. Okay, in the other question you'll see this number is changing, then process will be same. So you can do, we have already sent the PDF. Next type of question.